You know they're good when they throw the hand back.
Oh.
Never stop dreaming. Never stop dreaming. Never stop dreaming. Never stop dreaming.
This is what I love about the car community. I don't care what you drive, as long as you got a decent build and you actually love it. Like this is cool. I mean, you got Supras, you got a BMW with an exhaust. They all popped in. They said, "Can you spin it again?" Because listen, I didn't buy this car to drive it like a grandma.
Oh, you want that Nismo GTI that shoots flames?
Yes, sir. We got cameras on cameras on cameras, ready for rolling burnout mode. So I, for one, actually watched Brooks' video, dragtimes.com on YouTube, and he showed a video where he used the rolling burnout mode. Now, while he did give a very clear indicator of how to use these functions, it still felt unnatural, and I wasn't 100% certain I was doing it correct. So the first time I tried rolling burnout, I turned off everything, traction control. I held it down so it was completely off, and I would put the vehicle into launch mode. And I thought that's what he meant when you go into rolling burnout mode. And all traction control was off, and I couldn't get the tires to spin. And I kept thinking to myself, there's no way that with traction control fully off, this car revved out to the moon, that I can't break the tires free. So after several different attempts, that was too many severals, I figured it out. And I'm gonna give you guys a step-by-step how to activate rolling burnout mode and what the difference is from that into launch control settings. So first things first, you're gonna put your car in active mode. You're gonna need to switch to track, and turn off auto start stop because I hate that. You're gonna hit ESC off, you then hold it again until it asks you, are you sure you want to turn off traction control? And drive over to where you feel is safe to do a rolling burnout. For me, it's this very wide road.
I think we got some fans.
We got some watchers. Door was open. We are good. So rolling burnout mode is activated. Car's in track, ESC is fully off. And all you do, and what I was confusing is I thought you had to hit launch control. Again, launch control is only when you're launching the car. All I have to do right now is smash my foot on the throttle and you're going. And 3, 2, 1, we'll start it. And that is rolling burnout mode. Now, we'll take the camera outside so you can see it from outside. The only thing I'm going to do differently this second time is that I'm going to shift up while in rolling burnout mode. Now I believe Brooks from dragtimes.com again, input, would shift a few times, which allowed more wheel spin, and you're gonna get and see more smoke. It's actually very controlled when you're doing it. You wanna keep both hands on the wheel, and you wanna make sure that you have adequate space on both sides of the vehicle. So let's get Jack, let's get you outside so we can see this from an outside perspective.
Wait, say it again? Got some battle damage?
My face, yeah. That was a good one.
Getting those TikToks. Oh.
Jack,
yeah.
That was a little one. I'll go a little more aggressive. I shifted 3 times in that burnout. So this time go like 20 feet up front so you can see it from a front passing view. And burnout mode. How'd that look?
I don't know, you got a little bit of smoke.
That was pretty crazy.
Yeah, that was nuts.
4 gears for you guys.
That was nuts.
That's 4 gears than I would do. I would do 1 or 2 gears if you're gonna do rolling burnouts. or you're just showing off. So that's how Rolling Burnout mode works. Hopefully you got some good shots in here, and it better clarifies how to use it when you're ready to use it. So they labeled this as the only time Ducati and Lamborghini are gonna make a bike together.
You know where I can find a Ducati around here?
What does it do, 0 to 60?
You tell me.
Over to the right here, that's actually Lamborghini's competition right there.